Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time format on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smart band. You can do it by double tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the option called Watch Face and Time, the first option. And here we have the options called Time Format and Date Format. First, let's tap on the Time Format. And we can select 12-hour format, 24-hour time, and follow the phone. If you select the 12 hours, the time format will change to 12 hours, of course. So if you select it, tap on the check mark and go back to Watch Face. You will see that the time is in 12-hour format. If you select 24-hour, it's gonna be in the 24-hour format. And if you select follow the phone, it's gonna mirror the phone basically. So if you select this option, it's gonna switch to the same time that the phone has, the same time format rather that the phone has. Next we have the date format, and here we can change the format of the date. And we have year, month and day, day, month and year, and month, day and year. So select the option you like by tapping on it and then tapping on the check mark. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to Watch Face. And that's how you change the date and time format on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.